All right, YouTube, time for the next project, and it's going to be new running boards for the 4Runner. Let me show you what we got. You can actually kind of see them right there. Let me go show you. So these are a pair of running boards I picked up on Facebook Marketplace. Pretty inexpensive, but they are going to transform the look of the old 4Runner because these old ones are coming off. Now it's pretty simple. There are 3 mounting points, and each mounting point has 2 to 3 screws underneath. I forget how many, but I believe it's a 12 millimeter. So just have to take out about 6 to 9, however many bolts underneath that connect this running board to the body of the vehicle. Drop that down, throw the new ones on in its place, good to go. So let me go ahead and show you guys the before, how it looks. Overall, the stance coming together nicely. All right, let's get these on. But first we got to get these off. You crawl under the vehicle. I'll show you guys exactly what this looks like. Now, don't mind all this surface rust, but you have your 1, 2, 3 down there. And there are 2 bolts at each spot along this. And those are the only ones you have to remove. Those 6 spots, only ones you have to remove to get the step off. And as you can see, it was just that easy. It was 2 at each spot, so that's 6. So now all I gotta do is get my new ones, line up these holes, and ensure that they mount to the same spots. Then tighten everything down, and we're good to go. Last thing of note that I have to tell you guys, if you are gonna be doing this for the first time, is that the longer bolts that are separated go towards the front of the vehicle. The 2 smaller ones are in the middle, and the bottom at the end, or the back end. So a longer one at the front. Now the one that I purchased online, I bought from somebody who took it off of their 4Runner. So these lines, so these holes, I mean, should match up. So all I gotta do now is just kind of sink 2 of them in on either side to try and tighten everything up. And there we go. Just that simple, just that easy, and just that quick. If you like this kind of content that I'm bringing to you guys, be sure to go ahead, like, comment, subscribe down below. Stay tuned for the next thing that I have for this whole 4Runner. So I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.